Have you ever looked at a modern skyline and wondered, why are so many of the world's tallest and most iconic buildings made of steel? From skyscrapers in New York to massive stadiums in Asia, steel dominates modern construction. But is it just about strength, or is there more to the story? Today we're breaking down the real reasons why steel has become the backbone of 21st century construction. Welcome back to Rigid Academy, where we explore the world of engineering and construction in a way that's practical, insightful, and easy to follow. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our deep dives into the materials, methods, and technologies shaping our built environment. Point 1. Strength and structural performance. Let's start with the obvious, strength. Steel has one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios of any construction material. This means it can carry massive loads without requiring bulky sections. For example, compare a reinforced concrete column with a steel column designed for the same load. The steel section is often 2 or 3 times slimmer. This not only saves space, but also allows for more flexible building layouts. Steel also behaves predictably under stress. Unlike concrete, which can crack and fail suddenly, steel tends to deform first, giving engineers and occupants time to respond. That ductility is one reason why in earthquake-prone regions like Japan or California, steel is often the preferred choice for high-rise structures. Point 2. Speed and efficiency. Now, strength alone doesn't explain steel's popularity. Another key factor is speed. Construction today is all about saving time. Steel components can be prefabricated off-site, transported to the project, and assembled in weeks instead of months. Think of it like giant Lego pieces, columns, beams, trusses, all designed, cut, and drilled in the factory, ready to be bolted or welded on site. This reduces labor costs, shortens project timelines, and minimizes disruptions, especially in dense urban areas. That's why steel is the go-to material for projects on tight schedules like stadiums, airports, and commercial towers. Point 3. Cost and economic factors. But what about cost? Isn't steel more expensive than concrete? The short answer is not always. Yes, the material price per ton is usually higher, but when you consider faster construction times, reduced foundation sizes due to lighter weight, and long-term durability, steel often comes out ahead economically. Many developers realize that shaving even a few months off a construction schedule can save millions in financing and overhead costs. That advantage alone makes steel a very attractive option in competitive markets. Point 4. Sustainability and recyclability. Another major reason steel dominates is sustainability. Unlike concrete, which can't be fully reused, steel is 100% recyclable without losing its properties. In fact, a large percentage of structural steel in today's buildings comes from recycled sources like old cars, ships, and even demolished buildings. This circular economy aspect makes steel essential for achieving green building certifications like LEED or BREEAM. And with growing demand for environmentally responsible construction, sustainability has become more than just a buzzword. It's a real decision-making factor. Point 5. Flexibility and future-proofing. Finally, let's talk about flexibility. Steel structures can be easily modified, strengthened, or extended as building needs change. For example, adding extra floors to a steel-framed office tower is far simpler than doing the same with concrete. This adaptability is crucial in cities where space is limited and building functions evolve over time. Whether it's converting a warehouse into apartments or upgrading an old factory into a modern office, steel gives designers the freedom to reimagine spaces without starting from scratch. Closing and call to action. So why does steel dominate modern construction? Because it offers the perfect balance of strength, speed, cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and flexibility. It's not just a material, it's the foundation of how we build our cities for the future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to Rigid Academy for more engineering insights. And let me know in the comments, do you think steel will continue to dominate, or will new materials eventually take over? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.